Hi, everyone, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. Today we want to show you how you can record your computer screen on either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Guess what? Your Windows PC actually comes with a built-in screen recorder, and we'll look at it first. And then we'll also talk about another option that you can use for screen recording on Windows 10, Windows 11 and even Mac OS. Alright, let's check them out. Firstly, we're gonna start with the built-in screen recorder that comes with Windows 10 and Windows 11. You don't need to install anything in this method. So the first tool we're going to use is called Xbox Game Bar. You can use it to do a very quick and easy recording on your Windows PC. Okay, to use the Xbox, you're gonna enable it and launch it. Now go to the Windows Start menu and Settings. Next, select Gaming, and from here, as you can see, we just reached the Xbox Game Bar option, so simply toggle it on. Now, the Xbox screen recorder is ready. Alright, let's start the recording. You just need to press the Windows key and the G key at the same time. Alright, here, I just open up a website on my computer. And then, use the shortcut Windows plus G. This will launch the Xbox toolbar automatically. Now, from the toolbar, click on the capture icon. Then you will get this capture control center. Here, you can take screenshots, record your screen and audio, and mix them. Click on the record icon to record. You can also start recording by using the shortcut. Press Windows, Alt and R on your keyboard. The recording begins instantly. It's pretty easy, right? And when you want to end your recordings, just simply click on the stop button, or you can quit it with the keyboard combination Windows, Alt and Q, then click the message here to view the recording you just created. So, this is the recording we just made. And if you want to change the default settings of the recording, just hit the setting gear on the toolbar and set up everything according to what you need. The Xbox Game Bar is quite easy to use. However, keep in mind that this recorder is not available to record your desktop or the file explorer on your screen. Even if you try to record your desktop with it, the recording you saved will turn out to be black screen. If this doesn't bother you, then the Game Bar screen recorder is probably suitable for you. Otherwise, you'll want to use another screen recorder we're gonna talk about next. So here, we have the screen recorder from AppGeeker. It's a fairly functional recorder that has a wealth of advanced features to capture everything running on your screen. It works smoothly on both Windows and Mac OS. To get this screen recorder, head to appgeeker.com and find it in the product list. I'll also drop the link below so you can explore more. Alright, here on my computer, I just simply run it. My computer is based on Windows 10. You can use the screen recorder on your Windows 11, and also the Mac OS. And here, from its interface, as you can see, it can record video, webcam, and the audio as well. To screen record on Windows, whether you want record the screen video, or the apps you're using, simply select the video recorder. And here now, you have the full control of the recording. You can select full to record your entire screen, or choose the custom to select a recording area. And if you need, you can also turn on your webcam, system sound, and an external microphone. Once enabled, the selected items will be all included while you record. And if you need, you can click the gear icon to manage more settings. There are more options that you can select or deselect. For example, I can set it up to show countdown before the recording starts, so I can get well prepared. And if I want, I can make it to track the movement of my mouse cursor and record the clicks. This will be very convenient if you're recording your screen for a video guide, just like what I'm doing now. When you're ready, begin the recording by clicking on the record button. Okay, now, you can see it's capturing the screen activities on my Windows. You will notice here's a tiny control bar. It allows you to pause or edit the recording. You can add circles, drawings, and text on the screen. If you don't want to see this toolbar on your screen, you can also hide it. Here hit the hide button, it disappears. And if you want it back, press Ctrl, Alt and the H key simultaneously. Then it returns. You can also set up a timer here to decide how long this recording should be. Alright, when you finish recording, use the stop button or press Ctrl, Alt, and R to end it. Then the preview box will come up automatically. You can check whether it records what you want. Maybe you want to clip the video and keep what you need, or perhaps you want to record your Windows screen again. Click on the back button. You will be brought back to the main interface, and the current recording won't be saved and you can start it again. Right now, I don't need to change anything, so I just click the export button to save it. You can view and edit the video file in the recording history. And that's it. I have to say it's such a powerful screen recorder that it basically records everything exactly what I want, including the desktop, file explorer, apps, camera, and also the system and mic audio. So if you're seeking a screen recorder to capture your computer screen, click the link below and give it a try. Alright, that's what we have for today. Hope this video helped, and if you enjoyed it, please give us a like, and don't hesitate to share it with whoever needs this. Thanks for watching. See you.